Belgium Immigration Guide 2024-2025. Costs, process, and path to citizenship. This detailed guide will walk you through the steps of immigrating to Belgium, from obtaining a visa to achieving citizenship. Each step will cover necessary procedures, associated costs, and timelines to help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Determine eligibility and purpose of immigration. 1.1 Types of visas and permits. 1. Short stay visa, Schengen visa, for stays up to 90 days, mainly for tourism, business, or visiting family. 2. Long stay visa, type D, required for stays longer than 90 days, such as for work, study, or family reunification. 1.2 Eligibility criteria. 1. Work permit, job offer from a Belgian employer, with the employer's role in applying for the permit. 2. Study permit, enrollment in a recognized Belgian educational institution. 3. Family reunification, proof of relationship with a Belgian citizen or resident. 4. Investment, entrepreneur visa, significant investment in a Belgian business or starting your own business. 1.3 Costs. 1. Short stay visa, Schengen, €80 for adults, €40 for children aged 6-12. 2. Long stay visa, type D, approximately €180, but can vary depending on the visa type. 3. Additional costs, translation of documents, travel insurance, and administrative fees. Step 2. Application process for visa and residence permit. 2.1 Gathering required documents. Common documents. 1. Valid passport. 2. Completed visa application form. 3. Passport-sized photos. 4. Proof of financial means, bank statements, employment contract. 5. Proof of accommodation, rental agreement, invitation letter, specific documents. 1. Work permit, job offer letter, work permit, to be processed by the employer. 2. Study permit, admission letter from a Belgian institution, proof of tuition payment. 3. Family reunification, proof of relationship, marriage certificate, birth certificate. 2.2 Submitting the application. 1. Where to apply, Belgian consulate or embassy in your home country. 2. Processing time, typically 2 to 3 months, but can vary depending on the type of visa and individual circumstances. 3. Biometrics, fingerprints and a digital photo may be required at the visa application center. 2.3 Costs. 1. Visa fees, as mentioned in step 1.3. 2. Administrative fees, may apply depending on the consulate or embassy. Step 3. Arriving in Belgium and registering with local authorities. 3.1 Initial steps upon arrival. 1. Reporting your arrival. Within 8 days of arrival, report to the local municipality, commune, where you will reside. 2. Temporary residence permit, issued upon registering with the local authorities. 3.2 Registering for residency. Required documents. 1. Visa. 2. Proof of accommodation. 3. Health insurance. 4. Financial proof. Residence card. After successful registration, you will receive a residence card, a card, within a few weeks. Health insurance. Mandatory registration with a Belgian health insurance fund. 3.3 Costs. 1. Registration fee, typically €15, €30 depending on the commune. 2. Health insurance, varies based on the provider and coverage, usually €50, €150 per month. Step 4. Securing employment and work permits. 4.1 Types of work permits. 1. Work permit A, allows unrestricted work and is valid indefinitely. 2. Work permit B, tied to a specific employer and valid for 1 year, renewable. 3. EU Blue Card, for highly skilled workers, valid for 4 years. 4.2 Application process. 1. Employer's role, your employer usually handles the work permit application. 2. Required documents, employment contract, proof of qualifications, job description. 4.3 Costs. 1. Work permit fees, usually covered by the employer, but can vary. Step 5. Path to permanent residency. 5.1 Eligibility for permanent residency. 1. Continuous residence, legal and uninterrupted stay in Belgium for 5 years. 2. Integration, proof of integration, language skills, social participation. 3. No criminal record, clean criminal record is required. 5.2 Application process. 1. Documents needed, residence card, proof of continuous residence, integration certificates. 2. Application submission, at the local commune. 5.3 Costs. 1. Application fee, typically €200, €300 depending on the commune. Step 6. Applying for Belgian citizenship. 6.1 Eligibility criteria. 1. Residence, continuous legal residence in Belgium for 5 years. 2. Language proficiency, knowledge of one of Belgium's official languages, Dutch, French, or German. 3. Social integration, proof of integration, such as employment history or educational qualifications. 6.2 Citizenship application process. 1. Gather documents, passport, residence card, proof of language proficiency, criminal record certificate. 2. Submit application, at your local commune. 6.3 Costs. 1. Citizenship application fee, approximately €150 200. 6.4 Timeline. 1. Processing time, typically 6 months to 2 years. Conclusion: immigrating to Belgium involves a structured process, from obtaining the appropriate visa to securing permanent residency and eventually applying for citizenship. The process requires careful planning, document preparation, and financial investment, but with the right guidance, it can lead to a successful and rewarding transition to life in Belgium. Thanks for watching this video.